These Mark II doors look alright from a distance, but we don't know what's hiding underneath the paint. They're full of dents, so in this episode we're going to be removing all the dents with a dent puller, filling them, rubbing it down, and hopefully getting it in primer. And obviously, hopefully, we don't find any rot along the way. Hi everybody and welcome back. So let's crack on with these doors. I'll take you down and show you the dents that we've got to do, and then we're going to get the dent puller straight on it and try and get them out. That's one. That's one. Well, you can see them. And this is a big one, but it's like a crease that we've got to get out. Don't have to pull them out. We're doing this so then we can just put very little filler in it. I've got to bring it out across the top lip here, but it seems okay there now. So we just got to get the dent puller there and pull it out there. Then we'll move on to the next one. Right, so I've got that one, something like what I've ended up doing with the earth strap for the spot welding is clamping it to the latch on the door. Because when you're welding it on, with it being on top here, there's too much weight on the cable itself, so it's just snapping it off. So I've done away with the end and just clamped it on. I need to get a magnet, but it'll do for now. So we've done that one, we're going to work to this way now. This one wants all pulling out around here, so let's do it. They're actually not that bad now. All the guys, I'll come back to you when I've got them all out. Because he's going to, like I say, he's going to take a good few hours. Right, before I go any further, I just want to show you the big one here. And I want to show you where you can see the crease where we've got to pull it out. I've done the two here, and I've almost done that one, but now I can't tell if there's one here. But I just want to show you this one. See, if you look there, you can still see the paint in it. There's like a crease there, and there's also one there. So that's what we need to pull out. I've done this one here, pulled it out, as you can see, and it's pretty much the shape it should be. So I'll just do this one and let you see. That's getting loads better. I don't want to pull it too much and stress it out. Still can't tell if there's a slight one there. I'll take it out and show you front side angle and you'll see anyway. If you remember from last video how big that dent actually was. I think it's come out a long way. Don't look bad at all. So what I'm going to carry on doing is rub it down. I'll get it all rubbed down. Right guys, I've mixed some filler. I've rubbed it down with 80 grit to scuff it up. Right, so I'm going to let that dry, then we're going to block it down. I've put most of it where it needs it there. The rest of it is just like a thin layer, just in case there's any like dents or little tiny dents or anywhere that I've gone a little bit deep with grinder. So we'll let it dry, come back, block it all off, and then we're going to take another look at it. Right guys, we're just going to rub it down with 120 just to get it down slightly, and then we'll use a slightly less heavier grade. So let's just whiz over it, get the top layer off and see what we're working with. Could really do with an 80 grit, but I ain't got none. I'll have to go there. Right guys, so we've made a bit of progress on the bottom half of the door. It is almost there. Still got a bit of work to do with it, but there is a dent on the top of the door where the handle is as well. So we're going to check that out of bare metal as well. This door basically has had a lot of work. So I'm just going to check the whole of the front out of bare metal. So I'll take you down now and show you where we're at with the bottom. If you look down it now, it is pretty much smooth. It may be hard for you to see, but it is pretty much smooth. We have got a few low spots, which is round here, that we can just work that in, but the rest of it is pretty much there. So we're going to be grinding this down now, get it down to bare metal, because there's a dent somewhere there, which we're going to have to either try and get out or fill. So get it set up, get it ground down. As it happens, it ain't rusty there, but that bit is. I bet we're going to have to weld that. I thought I found some welding. No, no. Right, let me just take you down and show you. It's just there, the lip. I think the top of the door there is fine. We need to put a bit of a lip in there. And if you look, that hole's kind of starting to rot. So we as well to weld a piece in there now. So I thought the welding were done, obviously not. But I think the best thing to do at the minute is we'll finish the front of the door, obviously because it's in bare metal now, get it all filled and get it in epoxy primer, both sides, and then we can come back and weld that bit in. Yeah, because I don't want to leave it bare metal too long, and because I just don't want to leave it in bare metal too long. And it's 2 minutes to come back and do that bit, so providing the rest of the door's done. I just can't believe it. Right, so I've mixed some filler and I've come up with an idea. I'm going to use a big bar, put loads on it and pull it straight down in one straight line to try and get the low spots in this. Right guys, I'm going to show you where we're at with the door. It has been a nightmare, I swear down. I mean, the hinges, you know where you put grease on normally, just so it stops them from seizing up, whatever. Somebody put like a tub of copper grease on it, it's just took me ages to get it off. So it's all off around the hinges now. But what I have got to do is grind the weld down that we did a while ago. Get that done. Clean this rust up here and treat it. Hopefully it's good and don't go through. And there's a little bit here, so we're going to clean that up and check that. I've filled the other side. It's like the most of it is done, the rest of it can be done now on the car. So we're going to grind this down, then we're going to wipe it all down, mix some epoxy primer and get it in primer and see if it looks alright. We can put a guide coat on it then as well when it's on car, but the majority of it is all done. So I'm sorry about the wind guys if you can hear a lot of wind. So I'll get it set up, we'll get this ground down, get it wiped down and get it painted. Yep, back when this is done. Right, we're all set for primer now. what I have got to do is wait for the wind just to die down, because it's coming really, really heavy at some points and then disappearing, and I ain't got enough room in here to do it, and there ain't enough room in garage, so I'm going to have to do it outside and hope that it don't rain, but it's not looking too clever today. I'll show you anyway. It's ground down now. I'm going to fill that when it's on car. So obviously we've got to do the inside first, and then let it dry, and we're going to flip it and then do the front side, because obviously it's less, if there is any damage it's better on the inside of the door, because the door card goes on it, than on the outside. So yeah, so be back as soon as the wind's died down, just enough for us to get a quick coat on. Right guys, yeah, sorry to let you down, but I'm not going to be able to get it in primer today. Compressor, I mean, I've tried to bodge it, it's just not working. It's losing too much air before it gets to the gun, so it's not pushing the paint out. And obviously I've mixed it in the gun thinking I'd fixed it. Now the paint's gone off in the gun, because obviously I can't run thinners through it. Yeah, it's been a nightmare. I'll show you anyway where I bodged it. It's all bodged up there. I have got the new bit, but it don't fit in the end there, so I'm proper disappointed. But yeah, it's all ready anyway. All that bare metal. So yeah, like I say, I'm sorry about it being a short one, guys. It's just been a nightmare of a day. Well, past 3 days. But what could go wrong has gone wrong. So yeah, I'll get off and I'll see you all on the next one. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. Ta-ra now.